Hi students, so we are in the last concept of this lesson, that is the tropic level. So here first of all, in the yesterday's class we have seen that the meaning of the food chain and the meaning of food web. So food chain represents the flow of food in a given set of organisms. Food chain means food chain represents the flow of food in a group of organisms or living beings. So the various steps in a food chain at which the transfer of food takes place, that is called the tropic level. So here I will repeat, listen carefully. The various steps in a food chain at which the transfer of food takes place, that is called the tropic level. So here the producers, herbivores, carnivores and top carnivores. Okay, so the producers produce the food, so it will be eaten by the herbivores. So the energy will be, or the food will be transferred from the producers to the herbivores. So here from the herbivores the food will be transferred to the carnivores. So from the carnivores the food will be transferred to the top carnivores. So like this the transfer of food takes place in a food chain. So the each step from that the food is going to transfer, that is considered as the tropic level. So this is the first tropic level, second tropic level, third tropic level and fourth tropic level. Okay, so here we can see that the plants are constitute at the first tropic level. So the herbivores comes in the second tropic level, the carnivores which depends on the herbivores, there comes in the third tropic level, and the top carnivores they comes under the fourth kind of the tropic level. So that may be also considered as the producers, primary consumers, secondary consumers and tertiary consumers. So these are the producers. So these herbivores are the primary consumers, and the carnivores are secondary consumers, and the top carnivores are the tertiary consumers. So this is what the tropic level. So here the food is going to transfer from one tropic level to next tropic level. So this is what we considered as the transfer of food in the various stages. So like this the ecosystem is going to maintain. So this is the unit in which the plants and animals interact with each other to maintain or to make a shore type of the unit, that is called the ecosystem. Okay, so here the ecosystem means that is the interaction between the living and non-living things. So ecosystem means that is the interaction of plants and animals, or the living and non-living things. So that is very important that if any one of these, so either the producers or the herbivores or the carnivores or the top carnivores, so any one of this food chain, if it is going to become gap, so here we can see the end of the top carnivores also. If the producers are going to end their complete system, or if they are going to end the complete stage of their production, so here we can't imagine the presence of these three tropic levels, because these three depends directly or indirectly on the producers. So the presence of each and every tropic level is very important in the ecosystem. So that is nothing but various kinds of the trophic levels that we can see in the ecosystem. So they are going to play the very important role in their level. So the producers are very important. So the producers are present. So on that the herbivores are dependent. So here any one organism of the trophic level, if they are not going to continue their life, or if they are going to die completely, their species is going to get vanished. So that will be also the problematic to maintain the equality in the ecosystem. So that will not maintain a good position, or it will be not considered as a best ecosystem, because there will be somewhat queries, or there will be somewhat problems in the transfer of food from one trophic level to next trophic level. Okay, so this is what we consider the ecosystem, in which the interaction takes place between the living and non-living things, as well as between the one organism to another organism. So this is our environment lesson. So if you have any doubts regarding this lesson, you can send the questions to my WhatsApp number. We will try to solve the questions or the problems. So try to solve the questions, those are given behind the lesson. If you have any doubts in that one also, send me that one also. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.